Hey Mia, how are you today?
Hi, Felix. I'm good, thanks. A little tired, but okay. How about you, buddy?
I'm fine too. A bit sleepy, but happy to chat with my favorite friend. Oh, before we start, please subscribe to our channel if you like our talks.
Yes, subscribing really helps us, bestie. You can hear all our simple and fun English conversations.
So, Mia, do you understand English well?
I think I do, Felix. When I listen to songs or watch movies, I understand most things. But speaking, my brain says yes, but my mouth says, nothing.
Me too, Mia. I can follow stories in English, but when I try to answer, my words just hide from me. My brain is full of words, but my mouth tells me to be quiet.
That's a perfect way to say it, Felix. Like yesterday, someone asked me, where is the bus stop in English? I knew the answer, but when I spoke, I just said, bus, there.
I had the same experience, Mia. Once, I wanted to tell a friend what I like to do on weekends, but I only said, sleep.
Haha, that's okay, Felix. Everyone likes sleep.
True, but I wanted to say more. Like, I like walking, shopping, and chatting, but no words came out.
Yeah, speaking is scary, even if you understand everything, buddy. Learning to listen is easier than learning to speak.
Right. Speaking feels like climbing a big mountain with heavy boots, Mia.
Ha ha ha. Yes, but maybe our first tip is don't be afraid of mistakes, Felix.
Absolutely, Mia. Mistakes are normal, and people often find them cute or brave. Like babies learning to talk, they make mistakes all the time, and everyone smiles. We can be baby English speak. Baby English, but lots of courage, Mia. Silence is worse. If you say nothing, no one can guess. But if you say, I pizza good, people know you love pizza.
Exactly, Felix. So how can we get better?
One great trick is shadowing. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it like an echo, buddy. Like a parrot, Mia.
Yes. Don't think too much. Just copy the sounds and rhythm. I watch cartoons and copy the voices. It's silly but fun, man.
Fun helps you feel relaxed and practice more. Another tip is to start with small sentences. Don't try to say big, complicated things right away, bestie.
No Shakespeare for now, Felix.
Just simple sentences like, I am happy, or this is my bag. Say a few sentences every day.
Even when I'm alone, I say small English sentences quietly to myself.
Same. I sometimes whisper things while walking, like, that house is big. People might think I'm crazy, but it helps, Mia.
Crazy or learning? Who cares, buddy?
Also, it's useful to record yourself talking. Recording sounds scary at first, but it's very helpful, best friend.
When I first listened to my voice, I was shocked, Felix.
Me too, but with time, you get used to it. You can hear your mistakes and improve.
Like noticing if you forgot to say S in plural words, then fixing it next time.
Another tip is to speak with a real person, a friend, or maybe online. Talking with someone is different from speaking alone. You get real reactions, Mia. Even a little talk like, hi, how are you, is a good start.
That's true. Small talks open the door to bigger conversations. Do we have one more tip, Felix?
Yes, have fun with English. Use music, games, jokes, and funny videos, bestie. Singing English songs, even if you're not a great singer, helps a lot. Or watch funny cat videos with English subtitles. If you laugh, you remember better. Your brain likes fun things more than boring grammar. grammar books.
Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from having fun speaking.
So, let's repeat the tips. Don't fear mistakes, shadow and copy, practice small sentences daily, record yourself, talk with people, and enjoy learning, Mia.
We gave 6 tips instead of 5. Bonus, Felix.
Buy 5, get 1 free, buddy.
All right. Thank you for listening today, best friend.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun English practice.
We love having you here. See you next time.
Bye-bye, Mia.
Bye-bye, Felix.